I am going to enjoy this. Yes, yes. Look at this. Woo! If you want to learn how to make this delicious recipe, then keep watching this video. Let's go. This is actually a requested video, how to remake the Panda Express chow mein, and I'm going to show you the simple, easier, healthier version that I've put together for you. And this is fast and easy, quick, straight to the point. It's going to be so easy to make. So let's get into our ingredients, right? The first thing that you're going to need is 1 bell pepper, and this is real budget friendly as well. I have 2 carrots, and I pretty much just peel them just like this, right? So that's my 2 carrots. You're also going to need 2 zucchinis. Once you have your zucchinis together, you cut off the top like that, and you cut off the top for the other one like that. And you're gonna need a spiralizer. I have a little cheap one that I bought, nothing crazy. And all you do is you just take it, and then you just go like this, spiralize it all the way through. Alright guys, so these are my zoodles that I use my zucchini. And this is what it looks like. Yes. So don't forget, this is a healthier version of the Panda Express chow mein. So I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. Let's go ahead and make everything right now. To make our version of the Panda Express chow mein, we're going to use 1/2 cup of soy sauce. So 1/2 tablespoon sesame seed oil. 1/2 teaspoon of brown rice syrup. Go in there, get in there. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients down below. If you guys love chow mein, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? Don't you love weight loss tips and healthy food? Okay, let me just stir that around just a little bit. 1/4 teaspoon of Mrs. Dash. Okay, just a pinch of ginger. It's gonna give it a nice flavor. I'm gonna mix all of this together. It looks good, doesn't it? It smells really good too. 1/2 teaspoon of sesame seeds. My version of the chow mein. Absolutely healthy, delicious, quick, and easy. Look at it. Looks good, doesn't it? Let's go ahead and start making this, right? My wok is heated. I'm just gonna add a little bit of water here. I'm gonna add my red peppers, and I'm gonna add my carrot. A little bit more Mrs. Dash, and then I'm gonna add some garlic powder. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and the measurements down below. Doesn't it look so delicious? And it smells really good too. I'm just gonna leave this for about on low heat for about 2-3 minutes. If you love Maxinescorner, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up for me, please. If you're not subscribed to the channel, why not? You watch all the videos, you love healthy tips, and you love healthy meals. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell. That's how you're gonna get your notifications. Add your zoodles. Woo! And this is a great way to meal prep. So this is the perfect meal prep idea. You can have this for about a week. I'm pouring my sauce all over it. Sauce, my zoodles, chow mein, healthier version of the Panda Express. How does it look? It smells really good.
It looks yummy.
It does look yummy, doesn't it? Panda Express, chow mein, healthier version. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you do make this meal. Let's go ahead and plate it out. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Check out a few of these other videos. And what? Stay healthy.